Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect to AWS VPC Security Groups for SSH access step by step clearly. Start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the EC2 dashboard. In the left sidebar, click on Security Groups under the Network and Security section. Identify the security group associated with your EC2 instance. Select the security group and then click on the Inbound Rules tab. Click on the Edit Inbound Rules button. Next, click Add Rule. From the Type drop-down menu, select SSH. In the Protocol field, set the port range to 22, which is the default for SSH. In the Source field, you can choose My IP for secure access, allowing only your current IP address. Alternatively, you can choose Anywhere to allow access from any IP, but this is less secure. After configuring the rules, click on the Save Rules button. Now, open your terminal or SSH client. Use the following command to connect to your EC2 instance: SSH yourkey.pem EC2 user at your public IP. Make sure to replace yourkey.pem with the path to your key pair file. Substitute your public IP with the actual public IP address of your EC2 instance. If this is your first time connecting, type yes to confirm the connection. Once connected, you can begin managing your EC2 instance through the command line. Make sure to follow security best practices when using SSH. Terminate the SSH session by typing exit when you are done. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment in. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.